Assalamualaikum friends, here is 352 vector files for CorelDRAW, but these are protected password in this app. And follow me on Facebook, and here is my Telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video or data first here. Okay, so here is sample 1. Open in CorelDRAW. Okay, and sample 2. You can do anything. Okay, sample 3, like a blood. Sample 4, sorry, select this one, and now you can change it. Okay, and you can change anything. And here is sample 23. Amazing. Okay, you can wow. So you can use anywhere, you can change one by one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app. Our password. Take care. Love.